Trading stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off exchange foreign currency transactions, Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by historical tests of strategies, is no guarantee of future performance or success. There is a possibility that you may sustain a loss equal to or greater than your entire investment, regardless of which asset class you trade, equities, options, futures, or Forex. Therefore, you should not invest or risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Trade Guide Limited is an authorized representative of Forex Max Limited and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority number 229906. G'day folks, this is Danny Younes from Supercharge Wyckoff VSA.com. I'm the author of Supercharge Your Trading and Investment Account using Wyckoff Volume Spread Analysis. This video I'm going to run through another stock that's looking quite weak, and that is FCX, and FCX is Freeport McMoran Incorporated, and they deal in the copper space. Now, what I've got here for you folks is the weekly chart, and what draws my eyes is this ultra high volume here, which occurred back on the 11th of November 2016. Now, weakness, when it appears on an up bar. Okay, we've got ultra high volume on this up bar. We got a sign of weakness, which is sign of weakness 26, supply coming in. Okay, the next bar confirmed that weakness. Now, the market's not going to drop straight away. Okay, you're more than likely to see it push slightly higher and start to mushroom over, and that is what has happened with this stock. So I've set my trigger here at $11. All right, that is my trigger point. Now, looking at what is also occurring on the daily, okay, I might take a trade prior to it breaking beneath my trigger point, because what I see on the daily here, folks, is a trap up move. Okay, a trap up move is a severe sign of weakness. All right, so what they do is they mark the price up, which they have here, and they slam it down, and it closes towards the low of the range, which is a severe sign of weakness. Okay, so if we get confirmation of this signal, then I'll look to buy a put option to profit when this stock drops. Okay, so looking back at the weekly, we've got a VSA signal also here, which is a upthrust. Okay, which again is a severe sign of weakness. Okay, so we're seeing weakness on both time frames here. So if in fact we do get a confirmation, I'm going to enter a trade with a put option. You can wait for price to break beneath the trigger point, okay, and then look for signs of weakness below $11. Now, where could this go to? Well, first target would be around about that 950 region, right, back towards these lows here. Or we could see this head back towards its lows back at around about the $3.50 region. Okay, so that's quite possible as well, but that will be over the medium to long term where we could see that. But an initial target, we'll be looking at around that $9.50 region. What you can do if you purchase multiple contracts, you can take profits with one of the contracts once it reaches these lows and leave the other contract to run. Now, if you're eyeing out looking at taking profits at these lows here, then you'll need to buy a longer term option, and it could be a year or a year and a half for that, for that option. So you'd be paying a lot more than you would if you bought a option, which finishes within a couple to 3 months. Okay, so that's what I'm eyeing now. Okay, initial target of $9.50. Over the long term, I'm looking at $3.50. Okay, so we're seeing a trap up move on the daily. We are seeing a up thrust on the weekly, and both showing us signs of weakness on those two time frames. Any questions at all, please send me through an email to info@superchargewyckoffvsa.com. Have a great day, folks, and I wish you consistent profits. Bye for now.